Welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, I will show you the live price prediction of Nem XEM coin, friends. What's the current price of XEM? What's the currently price change goes at this time in XEM coin, and what is the next move of XEM coin? In this video, I will show you, friends. So keep watch this video till the end, and if you are new on my channel, so make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel, friends. If we talk about the current price of XEM coin, so the current price is about 0.327641 USD is the current price of XEM coin, friends. Now if we talk about the price change goes at this time in XEM coin, so the last 1 hour change is negative, last 1 day change is negative, last 1 week change as negative, friends. Oh my god, I'm really shocked to see this kind of change, and I remember that I'm very angry when I see this kind of change only and only negative. It's really wrong, friends. Only the last 1 day change is negative, last 1 week change is negative, last 1 week, that's mean last 7 days, friends. I'm really shocked to see this kind of change occur in the XEM coin, friends. But let's start the video. Let's continue. Now this is the last 1 day price prediction chart. So really complex structure of the chart, as you can see here. I'm confused to see this kind of charts, but if you look the average level change, so as you can see here, the average level is that fast down, and after fast take a jump, again fast down, take a jump, fast down, again take a jump, now fast down, and now it is jump. The falling period of XEM corner starts now, friends. So as you can see here, the same price change goes at this time. As you can see here, that is a support line and that is a resistance line. They continue a stable between these two lines from the previous last 1 day, friends. If we talk about the price change goes in the last 1 day, so the negative 2.75% change goes in the last 1 day, friends. And the highest price of XEM in the last 1 day is about 0.341789 USD, and the current price of the XEM coin is about 0.327641 USD dollar, friends. So now what's the next move of the XEM coin? This time now they're in the falling mode. After bouncing the support line, they again take a jump, friends. So and maybe this jump is the continuously jump of the XEM coin. Maybe on this jump they break the resistance line and the resistance becomes support. So I'm really happy when this kind of change occur in the XEM conference. I think that there is a 70% chances that XEM coin start jumping and 30% chances they fast down, friends. What's your opinion about? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.